Hello, my name is Denis Sapogov. I am a USF student. I'm currently in my third year. My major is marketing, and this is my Tableau project for Info Systems in Organizations class. This is the given data set. Here we can see that we have 10 different columns: country, region, state, zip code, city, sales date, department, item, sales, and profit. All sales were made in the United States, and we have 4 different regions: Central, East, West, and South. A lot of different states were involved in the sales. Sales dates include 2018 and 2019. We also have 3 different departments: fishing, jet boats, and cabin cruisers. To analyze the data, I scrolled down this file several times, understood which columns are important, and took advantage of filtering for my worksheets and dashboards. This is my first sheet. Here I have min and max sales in all regions. We got Central, East, South, and West. Same here. This is our outlier because right now we know that in West region there was one instance when it was min sales of 0. This visualization was made just to make sure that max sale does not include any outliers. This is my second sheet. Here I filtered the categories by item called Nitro, and right now we know that was item called Nitro, and this item had min sales of 0 in West regions, and the department is fishing. Here I decided to compare the min of sales in Washington in 2018 and 2019. Here we have our outlier. In 2019 the min sales was 0, but in 2018 the min of sales for the same item, Nitro, was almost $3,000. From the sheet number 3 we can conclude that min of sales differs for Nitro in 2018 and 2019. In 2019 Nitro did poorly and this item was not successful. However, in 2018 the min of sales was almost $3,000, which means that there was a drastic decline in min of sales between 2018 and 2019 for the item called Nitro. Here I wanted to understand how departments generate their profit, so I made this bar chart which is called Profit in West region for all departments in 2019. I started analyzing the bar graph and found out that there is another insight. Here in California we have fishing department, and they had a huge profit, $23,500,000 in fishing department in California. And moreover, cabin cruisers and jet boats also did a great job here in California in comparison with other states in West region, as you can see here. Here I decided to create a map and look at the profit in West region in 2019. As we can see from the map, California, Oregon, and Washington had a lot of sales and generated huge profits. This is another insight. So basically, the West Coast generated the most revenue in 2019 in West region among all these states here. So I think that the ocean water also plays an important role for departments like fishing, cabin cruisers, and jet boats. The most profitable states to run fishing, cabin cruisers, and jet boat departments in the West regions are number 1, California, number 2, Washington, and number 3, Oregon. So here's my dashboard. It has a map and it has a bar graphs. The map shows the West region and the profit in each state that are located in the United States in West region. The bar chart shows the profit in the states and that are located here, and how departments generate their profits. For instance, if you click on Washington state, here the bar chart pops up and it shows you how departments generate their profits. Here we have fishing department, jet boats, and cabin cruisers. So same process here, and everywhere, where you can see the numbers on the states. This is how my interactive dashboard works. So here is my map. Story. This is my quick overview of my project that I was doing in Tableau. This is my first sheet. It occurs that there was $0 mean of sales in West region. This $0 mean of sales occurred in fishing department in West region. After comparing 2 different years for the same item, we know that in 2018 the mean of sales was $3,000 and here in 2019 $0, so there is a huge difference between 2 years. According to the profit in West, we see that there is an outlier occurred in fishing department in California, and as we can see from the map, California had a huge profit in comparison with other states in West region, and due to the success of the fishing departments, states such as California and Washington had huge profits. So I would recommend running a fishing department in Washington or California, which is even better. So my conclusion is that Tableau is a great application tool that helps you summarize, analyze, conclude, and find new insights that could be useful for your company or research. Tableau is a very effective tool that is very simple in use, interesting in design, and effective in analyzing. I have learned how to add the data, sort, filter, connect, add color, make sheets and dashboards, and many other things. Tableau has a lot of features that are useful. I'm proud of myself that I figured out how to make interactive dashboards where one piece of information interacts with another. I had some difficulties during the project, but once I reviewed Tableau 1, I figured it out and it helped me a lot. Interactive dashboard is my favorite thing because it's interesting to create a special design for sheets, make them work, understand which data is important, make conclusions, and find new insights that sometimes might be very useful and important.